Style, character, charm and location are a few words to describe this exceptional 1920s family home, which has been updated and renovated throughout. Offering feature mantles, floorboards, high ceilings and a private garden, welcome to Twyford. I can't wait to show you through.